everyone, this is David again, and thank you for tuning in to my little YouTube channel. This is my third thing that I'm going to present to you shortly, so check it out. The next video that I'm just going to flash across your screen. Please watch to the end. There's a little appearance by the little darkies by the back of me. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed week. Leka Shalom.
Hinemato Humanayi Shevedahim Gam Yaha Ahim Gam Yaha Kashemen Hato Al Haros Yored Al Zakan Zakan Al Haros She Yored Al Pi Midota Kertal Hermon She Yored Al Harare Sion Kisham Sivaradonai Etaberaka Kisham Sivaradonai Etaberaka Adhaolam Hayinadolam Hayinadola Adonai Adonai Behold how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. It's like the precious ointment upon the head that ran down upon the beard, even Aaron's beard, that went down to the skirts of his garment, as the dew of Hermon, as the dew that descended upon the mountains of Zion. For there the Lord commanded the blessing, even life forevermore, even life forevermore. Ketau Hermon Sheyoret Harare Sion Kisham Sivaradonai Etaberaka Kisham Sivaradonai Etaberaka Adhaolam Hayinadola Adonai Gado Adonai Gado Adonai Hello, how are you? Good girl. So we are just at the Canning Park here. It's beautiful morning, bright and early 8 a.m. Nice ducks, nice birds, and there's a nice park, and that's my wife. She has just finished the video filming, and she's back to her little messages. But there goes our duck. Goodbye, ducks.